Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I have something special for you. This is going to be a merch line for a water brand. So let me go ahead and check it out. It is called Liquid Death. This is their merch. So what Liquid Death is basically they're a mountain water brand. They come and they have still as well as sparkling. Their merch is also super incredible and it's super soft. You can tell on the interior. Over here, there's that fuzz. I mean, just the cute design in general. They have all sorts of different designs as well, but this is the one I chose. There's like cool detail on the side, of course, once again, saying Liquid Death. And then the back art. It also comes with matching pair of pants. So it's a tracksuit set and same thing. And then interior is super fuzzy as well. So it's definitely the perfect for like winter outings and such. This is what I got for my husband so we can match with our Liquid Death outfits. And then of course it comes with a matching pair of pants as well. All right, so this is the top. It has a zipper all the way down. It's loose fitting, little tie strings for the hoodie. Super cute, unique design that's just like super trendy. The fit of the pants are quite tight. So if you like that, then that's good. But yeah, these are the girl brand. The guys are like looser for sure. And it's like cuffed over here as well as cuffed over here. Now this is their actual water. This one is the sparkling type. It comes in like a 12 pack or different stuff like that. Wrapped as if it's like a beer or something like that. So it just makes, you know, drinking water a little bit more fun with this brand. So if you would like to check out their merch or you want to just try out their waters and both, check out the link below. And if you want to see more product unboxings, reviews, all that good stuff, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this brand, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.